Welcome back, everyone. We're so pleased to have Kelly McBride joining us this evening with the Madison County Health Department. Kelly, thanks so much for being here with us.
Hello. As always, great to be with you guys.
Welcome, Kelly.
Great to see you, Kelly. We know it's been a challenging week for everyone in Madison County, including the Madison County Health Department. Tell us about it.
Yes, it's been a challenging week for everyone across the nation, I believe.
Yeah.
This recent severe winter weather has really packed a wallop for everyone. And so that has hampered our COVID-19 vaccination clinics, and the Madison County Health Department had to reschedule vaccination appointments. So we have received some questions regarding rescheduling second doses or those boosters of vaccine. I do know that the CDC says there is a period of time that is preferred time frame between doses, but there's also a larger window of time where you would not have to restart the series of vaccine. Now, I'm not a nurse, I'm not a healthcare provider, so I recommend that if anyone has questions or concerns about this issue, that you can call the Madison County Health Department at 623-7312 and speak to one of our nurses.
Right.
Folks can also email us. Our email address is on our website. I will say it, mchd@madisoncountyhealthdept.org.
Okay.
So again, if you have any questions about your vaccine appointment or the time between your doses, you can call or email, and someone will get back with you. The email address is not monitored 24/7, but
Okay.
someone will get back to you.
Okay. And of course, I'll put the website address, of course, everything up, which you're seeing now. So that's Madison County Health, DEPT.org.
Thank you so much. And Kelly, as you said, these are by appointment only.
Mm-hmm.
So are we correct to say that the Madison County Health Department will contact these folks to reschedule and then also for the upcoming appointments?
That's right. We will contact you by phone, and these calls are underway. Again, the weather has hampered some of those efforts, but I know that there are people even working from home who are reaching out to reschedule these appointments. So we are continuing with phases 1A and 1B currently, and staff are working to get through these phases on the list. In the meantime, you can contact your local pharmacy, and there are other options that we have shared closer to home. There are all kinds of locations offering vaccines across the state, but we have shared some of those that are more local to us.
Right.
So we encourage people to access any opportunity to receive a COVID-19 vaccination. So new developments are occurring all the time.
Right.
The governor and Dr. Stack, the Kentucky Department of Public Health, are working on new developments all the time.
Mm-hmm.
So as those occur, we will share that information with the public as it becomes available to us.
Now, Kelly, we do have some good news because the lower incident rates across the Commonwealth.
Yes, I think we can all be very encouraged about that. We are seeing less red counties.
Good. That's good news.
Counties are moving out of those red zones into the orange zones and even some yellow zones. And it's not the only reason, but I think it's in part because of those public health measures still being implemented. So we encourage people to continue to implement those public health measures that have been in place since the beginning of the pandemic.
Right.
And even if you have received both doses of vaccination, we need folks to continue with these measures until there's a greater level of immunity throughout our population,
right,
and a great enough percentage of the population who is vaccinated. Now, I will say, I don't know when that threshold is.
Sure.
You know, what that threshold is or when we're going to reach it. I just know we've just begun to see the results of our good work so far. So
Yes.
we're not there yet.
Right.
And it will take a while.
Right. Because this is a major undertaking. And I guess I want to stress, there's 360 million people in this country. So
Wow.
that's a lot of folks. As my grandpa said, that's a lot of thousands.
Yes.
It is. It's quite a few, but Kelly, as you say, keeping up the measures
Right.
that you have provided for us really over this past year, this is not the time to let down, right? This is the time to keep up with all of that good work as you see that change, that good news, as Randy said, start to happen.
Right.
Just to keep it up.
That's right. And Randy, what's our big three?
The big three is wear your mask, okay? Wash your hands often, and please keep that 6 foot or more spatial distance.
Very good. That's right.
I should get that
Now,
trademarked. No.
Kelly, tell us, we know there's an important event coming up for people that want to know more about the COVID-19 vaccine. Tell us about that.
True.
Yes, there is a COVID-19 vaccine Ask the Expert event. It is a virtual forum. We have shared that on our Facebook page, and we encourage everyone to attend this event and to share it. Now, it will be recorded, and Reverend Mitch Brown is helping sponsor this event. The local National Association for the Advancement of Colored People, NAACP, in Richmond, Madison County branch, is presenting this event.
Very good. And that's taking place Thursday, February 25th, I believe, via Zoom. Is that correct?
That's correct, via Zoom at 6 p.m. And we are sharing the post that has the Zoom meeting ID and the password.
Cool.
You are encouraged to email any questions that you have so that they can be forwarded to the moderator of the meeting. And that email is mitchbrown1097@gmail.com.
Cool. And that's on your Facebook page, and of course we'll share it as well. And of course we'll put up the slide information. So that is really neat. My neighbor is actually Mitch Brown, so I'll just walk my question over and put it in his mailbox.
It looks like
he told me that you are his neighbor, so I thought that was great.
A special guest speaker, Dr. Jai Gillum, with Baptist Health Outpatient Internal Medicine and Pediatrics. So it looks like it's going to be a great lineup. Very good.
Yes. Hey, and Renee Shaw is going to be on there too. My friend Renee Shaw from KET is going to be on there.
I love her.
I know. I call her Nay.
And only you would do that, Randy. Very good. Well, Kelly, as always, we appreciate all of the folks working so hard at the Madison County Health Department. We appreciate you coming on and sharing the news here on Madison County Live. For more information, where do we need to go?
You can call 623-7312. You can visit our website, MadisonCountyHealthDEPT.org. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram.
Absolutely.
All right, Kelly. Once again, we thank you. And folks, we'll be right back.
Thanks, Kelly, for coming on. Madison County Live is brought to you in part by the Madison County Health Department, protecting, promoting, and improving the health of our community. The all-new Chevy Silverado, now available at Jack Burford Chevrolet and always available at jackburford.com. kymedia.net. Digital media services from top-of-the-line video production to live streaming services. We'd like to thank another great sponsor of Madison County Live, Morning Point Assisted Living Center in Richmond, Kentucky, 1400 Gibson Bay Drive. Visit them at morningpoint.com.